Are you tired of waiting for your smart home to actually feel smart? What if I told you that the device sitting on your desk right now is about to become completely obsolete? The smart home market is standing on the edge of a massive shift. If you have been holding off on upgrading your home audio system, your patience is about to pay off in a major way. For several years, the original Apple HomePod Mini has stayed comfortably on our nightstands. It gave us decent sound quality. It gave us basic Siri integration. But let us be brutally honest. It was starting to feel a little bit dated. However, the latest rumors coming out of Cupertino are no longer just quiet whispers. They have turned into a loud roar. We are entering a brand new era for Apple smart speakers. The leaks we have gathered over the past few weeks prove that Apple is not just making small, boring updates. Instead, they're completely reinventing what a compact smart speaker can actually do. Get ready, because your entire living space is about to change. Imagine a compact device that does more than just play your favorite playlists. Imagine a speaker that understands the exact acoustics of your room with the absolute precision of a professional sound engineer. According to high-level supply chain leaks, the new smart speaker is completely ditching the standard low-power wearable chips used in the past. Apple is going all in. The new speaker is getting a specialized variant of the advanced A18 smartphone silicon. This upgrade is massive. It is not just about making the device a little bit faster. It is entirely about localized artificial intelligence. We are talking about Apple Intelligence baked directly into the actual hardware components of the speaker. This internal power allows for near-instantaneous voice assistant responses. You will never need to send your data to an external cloud server again. This specific feature directly solves the #1 complaint that smart speaker users have had for half a decade. That major complaint is latency. When you ask this new speaker to turn off your living room lights or play a specific song, the response time is projected to drop below 100 milliseconds. That is literally faster than a human blink. It will feel like magic. But the internal hardware is only half of the story. The physical architecture of the speaker itself is reportedly undergoing a massive structural overhaul. The iconic and familiar mesh fabric exterior remains. This keeps the classic look that people love. However, insider sources suggest a brand new internal structure. This structure uses a strong carbon core. This clever engineering choice allows for a much larger internal audio driver. The best part is that it does not increase the overall physical footprint of the small device. This means you get significantly deeper bass notes. You get incredibly crisp, high frequencies. You also get a beautifully wide sound stage. The soundstage will feel like it is coming from a premium speaker 3 times its actual physical size. It will easily fill your entire room with rich sound. You might be wondering, why now? Why did the tech giant wait so long to refresh their most popular smart speaker? The answer lies directly in the new Matter smart home protocol and a global unification of the modern smart home. Apple has been playing a long, patient game. This upcoming compact speaker is rumored to be the very first true universal hub. It will bridge the gap between every single smart device in your home. It will do this with zero friction and zero setup issues. You will not have to fight with different apps anymore. Let's talk about spatial awareness and the incredible new U3 chip. The latest leaked internal documents point toward the inclusion of a brand new ultra-wideband 3 chip. This new tracking chip is an absolute game changer for your household ecosystem. It is not just used for quickly handing off music from your phone to the speaker when you walk by. It is designed for highly advanced spatial awareness. Imagine walking directly into your living room. The compact speaker immediately senses your exact physical position in the room. It then automatically adjusts its beam-forming audio technology. The sweet spot of the music literally follows you as you move around the space. This is the exact kind of high-end technology that is usually reserved for luxury home audio systems costing thousands of dollars. Yet, Apple is rumored to be packing its advanced tech into a tiny device that fits comfortably in the palm of your hand. Now we need to discuss the visual side of things. The most talked about leak involves the very top of the device. For several years, Users have looked at the simple, colorful, swirling LED lights on top of the speaker. However, the new leaks suggest a highly functional glass touch display is taking its place. This is not going to be a full tablet-style screen. Instead, it will be a high-resolution circular OLED panel. This small screen can display vibrant album art. It can show clear weather icons. It can even display subtle notifications from your connected apps. It acts as a truly interactive portal for your home. Imagine seeing your kitchen timer count down visually on the speaker. Imagine seeing the exact name of an incoming caller before you choose to answer. This adds a deep layer of daily utility. It makes the speaker far more than just an audio device. It transforms it into a beautiful status dashboard for your entire life. The core design philosophy here is providing helpful information at a single glance. This ensures that you spend much less time staring down at your smartphone screen. You get to spend more time interacting naturally with your physical environment. This tiny top screen is also said to be completely dynamic. It can automatically change its color temperature based on the specific time of day. This allows it to act as a sophisticated, gentle night light in the evening. It can also act as a refreshing morning wake-up tool that beautifully mimics the natural colors of sunrise. It will blend perfectly into your daily routine. At the same time, the audio engineering team has allegedly been working on a highly proprietary liquid-based technology. By using a specialized ferrofluid dam driver, the compact speaker can physically move significantly more air. It does this while creating almost zero audio distortion. This directly addresses the minor muddiness that audio enthusiasts complained about in the first generation of the product. In modern markets, where dedicated home offices and open-concept living spaces have become the norm, this level of audio clarity is absolutely essential. Whether you are listening to a high bitrate, lossless premium audio track, or a low-quality old podcast episode, the built-in computational audio engine works magic. It resamples the audio track in real time. It upscales the sound to a virtual 7.1 surround sound experience. This technology becomes especially potent when you link two of these exact units together in the same room. A stereo pair of these new mini speakers is rumored to easily rival the original full-size premium speakers in terms of sheer volume and spatial depth. The leaks even suggest a dedicated theater mode. This mode allows these small speakers to sync perfectly with the upcoming television boxes. This creates a completely wireless home theater setup. It requires absolutely zero manual configuration. It removes all the confusing audio calibration from a user. You just plug it in and it sounds perfect. Privacy has always been the primary calling card for Apple. With this new speaker, they are doubling down on that promise. The recent leaks indicate a physical privacy kill switch hidden subtly near the power cable entry point on the bottom. While the company deeply trusts its own secure software, they know that modern consumers want absolute physical certainty. By flipping this small mechanical switch, you physically disconnect the internal microphones from any power source. Nobody can listen in. Furthermore, the advanced on-device processing means that your personal voice recordings never actually leave the four walls of your home. This stands as a massive selling point for consumers today. Smart home privacy concerns are at an all-time high, and this device offers real peace of mind. The device does not just listen to your commands, it actively protects your household. It can reportedly detect the specific acoustic sound of breaking window glass. It can detect a loud smoke alarm. It can then instantly send an encrypted alert straight to your phone. It does this even if you're traveling on the other side of the world. This specific feature transforms the small speaker from a simple entertainment device into a protective cornerstone of your entire home security system. One of the most exciting aspects of the latest leaks is the beautiful new color palette. The company is moving away from boring muted tones. They are entering into a vibrant, nature-inspired collection. Consumers can expect to see deep forest green tones, sunset oranges, and a stunning crystalline white. This white color uses recycled glass particles woven directly into the fabric mesh. This gives the speaker a subtle, premium shimmer when light hits it. This design choice makes the device look like a beautiful piece of modern home decor. It is no longer just a cold tech gadget sitting on a shelf. Beyond the pure aesthetics, there is also the major question of energy intelligence. With a massive global shift toward environmental sustainability, this speaker is rumored to be the company's very first certified carbon-neutral smart speaker. This sustainability spans from the factory manufacturing floor all the way to your front door. It utilizes a brand new ultra-low power state. It draws virtually zero electricity when it is sitting idle. Yet, it wakes up instantly the exact moment it detects your voice command or a proximity signal from your phone. The leaks also touch on an incredible internal project known as Project Soundwave. This is a rumored feature that allows the compact speaker to use silent ultrasonic waves to map the exact arrangement of furniture in your room. If you place the speaker deep inside a crowded bookshelf, it instantly knows. If you place it flat on a hard marble kitchen countertop, it knows. The speaker then automatically adjusts its internal equalization profile. It perfectly compensates for audio reflections and harsh surface vibrations. This means you get absolutely perfect sound quality regardless of where you decide to toss the device. It creates foolproof audio for the casual user who does not want to mess with settings. For the advanced power user, it provides a level of sonic precision that was previously impossible to find in this affordable price bracket. Speaking of the price, the leaks strongly suggest that the company is aiming for a major market disruptor price point. Despite adding a functional glass screen and the incredibly powerful A18 processor, the rumored price for the base model is staying remarkably close to the original $99 mark. Additionally, a slightly premium Pro version might sit around $149. This aggressive pricing strategy is clearly designed to flood the global market. It will cement the company's absolute dominance in the modern smart home ecosystem for years to come. As we look deeper into the secondary wave of leaks surrounding this compact smart speaker, we see a very clear picture. This device is not designed to live in isolation. It is meant to be the central nervous system of the future household. The true value of this hardware upgrade is unlocked when we look at how it seamlessly communicates with the rest of your digital ecosystem. For years, smart homes have felt disjointed. You had to open separate apps to control your lights, your security cameras, and your music. The tech giant is using this new hardware release to completely shatter those digital walls. They are creating an ambient environment where technology fades into the background and things just work effortlessly. At the very center of this connectivity breakthrough is the full implementation of the Matter Smart Home standard. While previous generation speakers had basic compatibility, this new model contains a dedicated, high-performance thread border router. This router can handle hundreds of smart devices simultaneously. It does this without slowing down your main home internet router. This means your smart light bulbs, your smart plugs, and your automated blinds will communicate directly with the speaker locally. If your main internet connection goes down because of a massive storm, your automated home will continue to function perfectly. The local A18 chip processes the automation rules inside the speaker itself. You will never be left in the dark again. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to stay ahead of all the biggest tech leaks, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Share this video with a friend who needs to upgrade their smart home, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. My honest opinion on the leaks. As an AI, I don't have a physical living room to decorate or ears to appreciate high-fidelity audio. However, looking at the pure technological leap described in these leaks, this strategy is incredibly sound. Moving the processing from the cloud directly onto the device via the A18 chip is the most vital upgrade here. It tackles the latency issue head-on while drastically improving user privacy, two areas where consumers are highly critical today. If the company truly maintains that disruptive $99 price point while adding an OLED display, ultra-wideband tracking, and a thread border router, they aren't just releasing a new speaker. They are attempting to completely monopolize the entry point of the modern smart home. It is a brilliant, aggressive move that will force the entire industry to level up.